Are you tired of a boring breakfast or your taste bug needs something a little bit exciting? Then this video is for you. As this banana chia pudding is so creamy, naturally sweet, and it's just what you need to fuel your body for the day. So let me show you how to prepare it. So to make this pudding, I'll be using 2 ripe banana. The more ripe the banana is, the better it is for this recipe. So I'll peel the banana, then add it into this bowl. I'll just go ahead and mash the banana gently till it becomes a little bit smooth. This will give a natural taste and a creamy texture to our pudding. Okay, this is perfect now. If you want yours to be more smooth, you can go ahead and blend it up in the blender. Next, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of chia seed. This tiny seed are actually very healthy as they are packed with lots of nutrients. I'll be adding little honey for that extra sweetness, although it's totally optional since banana is naturally sweet. Next, I'll be adding 1 cup of milk to the whole mixture, then mix together to combine. You can choose to use dairy milk, coconut milk, almond milk, or just any milk of your choice. So this is 5 minutes later after the first mixing. I'll just go ahead and stir it up again in order to break up any clumps that must have formed. So go ahead and cover up the bowl, then pop it into the fridge and allow it to stay overnight. This will enable the chia seed to soak well and also swell up as well, thereby forming the pudding. So this is the next day and our pudding has thickened up, as you can see. I just go ahead and serve it in this cute glass. Actually got it as a gift in a product. So if you look closely, you notice the consistency of our pudding and the banana chunks in it. If you want yours to be a little bit more thick, you can choose to add more of the chia seed or less milk, but I actually love the consistency of mine the way it is. So I'll be adding some banana slice to it. And just before I forget, I also have another chia pudding recipe in this channel. I'll be adding the link to the description box down below, so please feel free to check it up after watching this video. I know this is banana chia pudding, but I'll be adding some cucumber chunks to it for that fresh hydrating taste. And of course more of the banana slice since it's banana chia pudding. I'll also be adding some shredded coconuts to it for that extra crunch and sweetness. This isn't any kind of pudding as it's rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acid, potassium, protein and calcium, as it helps to support good heart health, aid in digestion process, support weight management and a glowing skin. You can go ahead and stir your banana chia pudding at this moment and enjoy the fruity goodness in every scoop, or you can go ahead and toss it back into the fridge and enjoy it at any time of the day. And there you have it, a quick healthy banana chia pudding you should add to your breakfast menu. So let me know in the comment section if you've tried out this recipe. Thank you very much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. See you next time with another amazing recipe. Until then, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.